In old time, man hunt in morning, make love in afternoon, nap by fire. Now, human reply email on toilet, even poop time not sacred. You hustle so hard, even sleep feel like betrayal. Tribe wisdom, if lion chase every antelope, lion die tired and hungry. Hustle spirit not your friend. It whispers, just one more task. You not grindstone, you human. You break, if no stop. Status hunt breaks your legs. In old tribe we hunt mammoth. Now, you hunt status, but no eat status. No roast status over fire. Status not feed baby. So why you chase? Because your neighbor get new shiny rock. So you buy bigger rock. He buy sky chariot. You lease moon chariot. Now both broke and sad. But hey, you win fake race. Tribe wisdom say, peacock show feather, then get eaten first. You flash too much, you target. Gurocha once flashed too much. Tribe throw cold soup, not fun, even worse. You spend coin you know have to buy image you know are. You dress like success while crying in debt. If mask make you suffocate, maybe stop wearing mask. You buy to feel, then feel nothing. In tribe, if man feel empty, he go to waterfall, scream a tree, then wrestle wild pig. Now, human scroll shiny box and buy banana peeler shaped like duck. You buy dopamine, but get disappointment. You buy dream, but get debt. You fill house with stuff, but heart still echo. Tribe say, if cave full but soul hollow, you no richer than squirrel with one nut. Best things no come in box. They come in peace, purpose, and not having to check tracking number. Funny part, most packages bring more trash than treasure. You work 40 winters. You save shiny coin in invisible pile. You wait until bones brittle, hair gone, and bladder unreliable. Then you say, now me free. Freedom not always big cave and 12 fruit trees. Sometimes at quiet morning and no boss yelling. Circle back. Tribe elder once say, better 10 warm sunrises now than 100 cold ones later you know enjoy. Truth bomb. You wait so long for someday, that someday never come. Retire a little every day, walk barefoot, eat mango, say no to Zoom call. That real wealth, back in old time. Sunrise, gurucha choose, hunt, swim, nap, or throw rock at tree. Freedom, now, even your free time scheduled. You book fun like dentist appointment. You pencil in joy. If your time no belong to you, maybe you no belong to you. Worse, you feel guilty when not productive. You sit still for 1 minute, brain scream, lazy. You not lazy. You tired of being hamster with inbox. True freedom no look like full calendar. It look like waking up and not instantly hating morning. If you need permission to rest, you already in cage. Gurucha once run from lion. Good reason. Now human run from self. Bad reason. You keep busy so truth no catch up. You build empire, but ignore soul. You light fire outside while inside cave go cold. Tribe elders say, if you climb mountain but heart stay at bottom, then you just lonely goat with diploma. Ask self, if coin no exist, what would you do? Who would you help? What would you build? Because if answer only more, then you already lost. In old tribe, if hunter tired, he rest. No one yell, get back out there, or hyena beat you to promotion. But now, you cough blood, still answer Slack message. Gurucha ask, you warrior, or email goblin. Nobody remember what your inbox looked like, but they remember when you smiled, or when you snapped and threw printer out window. Tribe wisdom, If your fire burned too long, you become ash. Ash no lead, ash no love. You deserve to be human, not productivity bot with dopamine battery. Success not worth it if you can't taste mango. Now, press red thing called subscribe. Very sacred. Make tribes strong. Make Gurucha dance. If you know press. Ancient chicken spirit follow you for 7 moon. Bad luck. Very itchy. Me make more soon. Gurucha vanish now. Poof.